We're here to talk about fireplaces today, specifically Valor Fireplaces. And fireplaces are often referred to as the heart of the home, and there's a reason for that. There's really fewer things that do so much for creating a great mood and a sense of coziness. What we're seeing more and more is people wanting to really personalize their spaces. So when we found out that Valor had this new technology, we were pretty excited.
Very much so. Valor's new technology, heat shift system, takes the heat from the fireplace and redirects it.
It does it through these duct systems in the back of the fireplace that pull the heat up and across the top of the room, so it's distributed in this great, easy, natural flow. So there's an even distribution of heat. And what's really cool about that is that it does it without electricity or noisy fans going on in the background. So if you have a power outage, for example, then you can still heat your place as long as you can get gas through.
Then you don't have to worry about your TV or your art around your fireplace. It will not be affected by the heat. And on top of that, these fireplaces also include the Valor 10 remote and the remote app if you just want to use it off your smartphone. And I have to tell you, Kimberly, having the remote makes it so much easier. It's great to have it right there.
And it's also beautiful and customizable depending on your style or what mood you want to set.
You can go through the online design center, which they have on their website, and pick everything from scratch. You can start with what kind of fireplace you want, what kind of logs you want, what do you want the interior to look like, what do you want the surround to be, and then get a rendering of what it'll look like in your space.
Basically, the fireplace looks just as good off as it does on.
And I'm loving, so excited about the birch logs. That's a beautiful addition.
Very Canadian.
Yes.
This being Canada, we want to be able to extend our time outdoors any way we can. And there's a great outdoor conversion kit for these fireplaces as well. So if you want to install one in your outdoor space, I would highly recommend it.
What a luxury.
What home isn't better without a fireplace?
Right.
So if you're in the market, go online to check out more.